What is up guys, it's your boy Boggy back here with another video. We last left off where I was doing work on the insides of the cabinet and it absolutely chucked it down, so we had to rush everything indoors for it not to get soaking wet. So today I'm carrying on, but this is going to be the control panel. Now, I already did some markings from where I want everything. I don't know whether yet the camera's picking it up. So basically I've got to start cutting holes. So this is where I want everything. And so we've got the trackball, the mouse buttons, we have the what do you call it, the joystick 1 and 2. We've got six buttons, plus we've got 2 here, making it an 8-button configuration. Now I would have liked it all in one row, but it weren't going to fit, so I adopted the Scantron 5K, if you like, approach. Now Scantron, if you're watching this buddy, appreciate the tip. I think this is going to work out brilliant, and I'm doing that for both player 1 and player 2. Also we'll be able to have the Xbox pads as well. So without any further ado, let's get cutting. Right, okay, so quick tip, when you're drilling your holes, don't go all the way through, because if you go all the way through at the back, you blow all this out, like you ruin it. So go as far as you can see the dots and then go back the other way and you'll get a perfect hole. Just a quick tip there if you didn't know that. Sorry to the guys and girls that know that, but if you don't know that, there you go. Glad I could help. So we're cutting a hole for the trackball, and I had to buy this off of Amazon because apparently it's a weird diameter. I don't know why, but I couldn't buy it from the likes of Screwfix or whatever. So bought this from Amazon. It's a 45mm, and that's perfect just for the trackball hole. So let's do it. Right, so where have we got? Well, we've managed to get the trackball in. There we go. Reason for putting it there, I was going to go there, but it messed up with stuff I had underneath. So it's going there. That way I miss out on the joysticks. I can still use some buttons here if I wanted to use this as a controller, but mainly this is going to be a mouse for the PC games and like the raw thrill stuff. So that's in. It wasn't the neatest of jobs, but I routed down a bit and we stuck that in. That's in there, lovely. What is up, guys? It's your boy Just Boggy, back with another video. Sorry it's been a little while, but I've been waiting for parts to come in, and let me tell you, it has been an absolute ball ache. Today I'm excited to say that the artwork is finally in. I am happy with it. There are some slight flaws which I am gutted about, but I am going to run with it. I don't know if you saw my other video. I'll have a link down in the description for it. Enough about that. As you can see, the cabinet is on its side now. The artwork is in there. I've got the plexiglass as well. That's indoors because I've got to spray the borders, and then that can go on the screen and the marquee, and also the control panel, which we haven't finished yet. So I'm keeping that inside because I don't want that to get all scratched up unnecessarily. So yeah, we'll prep the cabinet and we'll start putting on the side work. So what I'm going to use here is just a bit of a degreasing shampoo, because this needs to be as clean as possible, and just try and use something that it's not going to leave a load and lint when you wipe down. Now for the artwork. See, this is what I was saying, I'm just taking it out. Can you see? There's been no care with this whatsoever. There's a few air bubbles, there's a few hairs underneath the laminate, but nothing I can do now. So here we go, guys. This is the reveal. Now I'm going to muck around trying to get this sort of squared up, and then I'll come back. Okay, so we're back, and one thing I've got to say is the thing I do like about what they've done is they've left quite a lot of bleed around the edges. Now we are going to cut that off, like with his fist here and with his foot there. But there's quite a lot of bleed, so I quite like that. So I've kind of put it in place as to where I want to put it. So the only thing is let's just lay this down and get it stuck. Right, so we're back. So the plan is to cut the back in, unstick it, and then stick it on the cab. We'll see how it goes. Like I say, please check out my video on the review of these guys that made this. I'm not happy at all, but I guess that's what happens when you and it weren't cheap either, so I didn't go for the cheapest, I didn't go for the most expensive, but it could have been a lot cheaper than this. But I'm just not happy overall with the company, with how they conducted themselves, how long it took, the actual print quality. But what can I do? I've got it now, so I just want to get this project done so I can start on the internals of the cab. So, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so that looks like it's actually screen printed. Wow. So I'm just going to come in here, cut that half off.